Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a rustic bathroom design in your country-style wooden house, offering a spa-like retreat seamlessly connected to a tranquil fenced garden. Rustic charm meets spa serenity. Exposed beam ceiling, rough-hewn wooden beams, stained a warm honey tone, add architectural interest and a sense of history to the space. Clawfoot tub. A centerpiece clawfoot bathtub in white porcelain creates a spa-like feel and invites luxurious soaking experiences. Stone tile flooring. Durable and beautiful stone tile flooring, in shades of beige or light gray, complements the rustic charm and provides a luxurious underfoot feel. Warm color palette, earthy tones of beige, warm brown, and green dominate the color scheme, creating a sense of warmth and a connection to the natural world outside. Consider pops of color through painted vanity cabinets or vintage bathroom accessories. Natural textures for a spa ambience. Wainscoting on the lower half of the walls adds a touch of elegance and complements the rustic charm. Consider a shiplap treatment for a more casual look. Woven bath mats and towels. Woven bath mats and plush towels in natural fibers like cotton or linen add warmth and texture to the space. Plants and natural light. Strategically placed potted plants and a window overlooking the fenced garden bring the outdoors in and promote a sense of tranquility. Connection to the fenced garden. Window with frosted glass. A large window with frosted glass for privacy allows natural light to flood the space while maintaining a sense of modesty. Imagine enjoying a relaxing bath bathed in natural light with a view of your peaceful garden. Vintage garden stool. A repurposed vintage garden stool provides a charming side table next to the bathtub, offering a space for towels or bath products. Hanging herbs by the window. Optional, a hanging planter near the window allows you to grow fresh herbs for bath time or culinary use, further connecting the bathroom to the garden. Overall vibe, the bathroom exudes a sense of warmth, relaxation, and connection to nature. The exposed beams, stone tile flooring, and wainscoting create a timeless and elegant feel. The clawfoot tub, natural textures, and window with a garden view invite spa-like experiences and a tranquil escape. Additional touches. Vintage mirror. An antique mirror above the vanity adds a touch of elegance and reflects the natural light, enhancing the feeling of openness. Rustic lighting. Wrought iron sconces on either side of the mirror or a vintage pendant lamp provide warm and inviting lighting. Woven storage baskets. Woven baskets for storing towels or toiletries add a touch of rustic charm and provide functional storage. Fenced garden design. The fenced garden can be designed to create a calming and private outdoor retreat. Include flowering plants for pops of color, a small path leading to a hidden seating area, and perhaps a water feature like a small fountain for added tranquility. This description provides a foundation. Personalize it further by incorporating elements that reflect your personal style and the unique charm of your country-style wooden house. Let your imagination flow and create a rustic bathroom that serves as a spa-like haven, fostering a connection with nature and promoting relaxation in your own home. Here are several compelling reasons to consider a rustic bathroom design in your country-style wooden house, seamlessly connected to a peaceful fenced garden. Spa-like escape with rustic charm, tranquility and relaxation. The rustic aesthetic, with its focus on natural materials, warm colors, and calming textures, creates a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Imagine soaking in a clawfoot tub with a view of your garden. Connection to nature. Exposed beams, natural stone elements, and strategically placed plants bring the outdoors in, promoting a sense of tranquility and well-being. The window overlooking the fenced garden further blurs the lines between the bathroom and the natural world. Timeless and elegant design. Rustic elements like clawfoot tubs and wainscoting create a timeless and elegant bathroom that never goes out of style, functionality, and beauty. Durable materials. Rustic materials like stone tile flooring and wooden vanities are known for their durability, making them ideal for a high-traffic area like a bathroom. Ample storage. Woven baskets and vintage furniture pieces can provide ample storage for towels and toiletries while adding to the rustic charm. Natural light and ventilation. A large window with frosted glass allows for natural light and ventilation, promoting a healthy and bright bathroom environment. Increased enjoyment of your fenced garden. Private outdoor retreat. The fenced garden creates a private and serene outdoor space that you can enjoy directly from your bathroom window. Imagine stepping out after a relaxing bath for a breath of fresh air, fresh herbs at your fingertips. A hanging planter near the window allows you to grow fresh herbs for bath time or culinary use, further connecting the bathroom to the garden and promoting sustainability. Enhanced property value. A well-designed rustic bathroom with a connection to a peaceful garden can increase the overall value and appeal of your country-style wooden house. Additional advantages. Versatility. The rustic style can be adapted to your taste. You can incorporate more traditional country elements or add modern touches for a more personal and updated look. Sustainability. Using natural materials and reclaimed furniture contributes to a more sustainable living environment. Personalization. Vintage finds and unique decor pieces can add a touch of personality and history to your rustic bathroom. Overall, a rustic bathroom design in your country-style wooden house, with a connection to a fenced garden, offers a space that promotes relaxation, connection to nature, timeless elegance, and increased functionality. It creates a spa-like haven for unwinding and fosters a sense of peace and tranquility within your own home. Here's a roadmap to embark on your journey of designing a rustic bathroom haven in your country-style wooden house seamlessly connected to your peaceful fenced garden. 1. Define your needs and budget. Bathroom functionality. Consider the features you want: a large soaking tub, a spacious shower, double vanity, or ample storage. Garden design and purpose. Think about the level of maintenance you're comfortable with and how you'd like to use the garden. Privacy screen, small sitting area. Herb garden. Budget. Determine your overall budget for the bathroom renovation, potential furniture replacements, and any desired garden improvements. 2. Design inspiration for bathroom. Browse online resources. Websites and magazines showcasing rustic bathrooms can provide inspiration for layout ideas, material selections, and color palettes. Consider exposed beam treatments. Decide if you want to paint the existing beams or keep them natural for a more rustic look. Sample and test paint colors. Order paint samples for the walls and vanity, if painting, and test them in the bathroom with different lighting conditions to find the perfect warm and inviting tones. 3. Garden design and plant selection. Research your rural climate zone. This helps choose plants that thrive in your environment and require minimal maintenance. Sketch a garden layout. Consider factors like sunlight availability, drainage, desired privacy screening, if needed, and any designated space for a small seating area. Consult with a local nursery or gardening expert. They can advise on selecting plants best suited for a country-style garden and your desired aesthetic. Consider low-maintenance options like ferns, flowering shrubs with calming colors, or even a small climbing vine for the fence. 4. Bathroom renovation and material selection. Exposed beam ceiling, optional if your ceiling doesn't have exposed beams. Consider adding them for architectural interest. Clawfoot tub, optional. Consider a clawfoot tub if space allows, creating a spa-like centerpiece. Opt for a timeless white porcelain finish. Stone tile flooring. Choose durable and beautiful stone tile flooring in shades of beige, light gray, or another color that complements your overall scheme. Wainscoting or shiplap. Decide between wainscoting for a more elegant look or shiplap for a more casual country feel. 5. Connecting the indoors and outdoors. Window with frosted glass. Install a large window with frosted glass for privacy while allowing natural light to flood the space. Vintage garden stool, optional. Repurpose a vintage garden stool as a charming side table next to the bathtub for towels or toiletries. Natural light and ventilation. ensure proper ventilation in the bathroom, especially if the window is small. 6. Rustic touches and storage. Vintage mirror. An antique mirror above the vanity adds a touch of elegance and reflects natural light. Rustic lighting. Wrought iron sconces on either side of the mirror or a vintage pendant lamp provide warm and inviting lighting. Woven storage baskets. Use woven baskets for storing towels or toiletries, adding a touch of rustic charm and providing functional storage. Vintage vanity. Optional, consider replacing your existing vanity with a vintage piece for added character. 7. Fenced garden design and construction. Optional, choose fence material. Select fence materials that complement your country-style house. Consider a white picket fence, a natural wood fence, or even a stone wall for a more permanent and unique look. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.